is to know how to disable chat in Roblox. We will discuss what we need to do to turn it off. If we are using a PC, follow the steps according to videos to disable the in-game chat. Open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Log into the Roblox account. Press the gear icon at the top right and select Settings. Select Privacy. Select No One from the drop-down menu under Who Can Chat With Me? Keep in mind this change affects the in-game chat only. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.